Okay, I'm very annoyed now. Started off a fucking moto vlog on the way here. In hopes to show you guys this job that was on. Turns out I didn't press record on the camera, did I? Anyway, it was a window gate which had a tubular key, and she'd lost the key for it and it was locked. My job was to turn up, open the lock, make a key. So I did that. I made 2 keys with the Goso tubular key pick and this thing, which is a tubular key cutter. Took a bag of tubular keys with me, blanks, and this took the impression, if you like, from the Goso pick, put it on the end of the machine and cut a key from it. And I thought I was filming all of that. What a bugger.